A hidden app called Android System SafetyCore just appeared on your phone. No icon, no warning. So the big question is it secretly scanning your text or photos? Welcome to Galaxy Station. Like and subscribe to my channel because today I am exposing the truth. Android System SafetyCore is a Google system service. It is designed to protect users from harmful or unwanted content. Instead of sending your data to the cloud, it works directly inside your device. This is where things get controversial because SafetyCore has no app icon. It installed silently on your devices and it runs in the background. So many users started asking, is this a spyware? Here's the truth. Yes, it can analyze your images, read your messages, but only for specific purposes. For example, detecting sensitive content or showing warnings before viewing an image. But, and this is important, everything happens on your devices only. So, is it spying on you? Short answer is no. SafetyCore does not send your photos to Google Cloud, or it doesn't upload your data, or it can track your personal content. It uses on device AI models so your data stays private. So, what it actually does? It powers features like sensitive content warnings, scam and spam detection, safer messaging experience. Think of it as a background safety engine for your Android. So, should you remove it? Sometimes yes, but not recommended because it's a part of Android security system. If you are concerned, you can disable permissions instead. So, is Android system safety code spying on you? No, it's a privacy focused security feature. It may look suspicious, but it's actually designed to protect you. Like and subscribe for more hidden Android features and check the description for more deep dives.